Computer science starts very early at City University. British Computer Science emerged out of a series of meetings held at City University in the 1960s. So we've been involved in the heart of computer science since it became a subject in its own right.
Degree from City will be amazing. Of course, City is one of the best universities in UK. Currently, I'm studying computer science with games technology. For first year, every computer science students have same modules.
Once we spent the first year developing core skills, students start to study specialist modules which are feeding off staff's research, say data visualization or artificial intelligence or human-computer interaction design, and we also have some industrial skills embedded in our modules. One of our key missions is to get students out working in industry, and we have very strong links with a lot of big tech companies located very close to the university. Students at City University all have the opportunity to take the professional pathway, where you would study 2 years of full-time study alongside all the students. Then instead of going to do a Sandwich placement year, you would spend 2 years studying part-time and working part-time. You get to see what's happening in the industry, and is also an attractive route to earn while you learn.
I would say this is a great opportunity. After you graduate, you have work experience, you have a degree, and it will be much easier to find a job.
Students who have joined our undergraduate programme from Into courses have integrated wonderfully into our department and have gone on to get good degrees and move on to careers in London and around the world.
We support them with a plethora of different academic skills, from essay writing to referencing, everything that they will encounter when they get to university.
If you go from Into to City, it's a nice transition. So you already have friends, you know the lectures and also terms of studies. Into City will prepare you for City.
Our academic courses are overseen by City University academics. That means that our courses truly prepare the students for their academic degrees.
We did programming, we did maths. They will teach you how to write reports, essays, how to search for information, which is really important in professional environment. So it's worth it doing foundation year.
City University has its own unique combination of features. It's got its location in the heart of London, an exciting and diverse student body from all around the world, and will do a fantastic job at developing you from an interested student into a career professional in computer science and related tech industries.